You are shy, you always want to be alone, you don't like people, you don't know how to socialize. These are some of the most common myths about introverts. Dear introverts, you are not alone. Don't feel like an outcast. Don't be ashamed of who you are. It's just that we are living in a society that doesn't always appreciate introverts. And often a person described as such is thought of as having something wrong with them. But no, you are beautiful, you are perfect, just the way you are. It's normal for wanting to leave a little earlier than everyone else and come back home, not because you hate people or you are bored. Maybe it's because you simply lose energy from being around people, or maybe it's something else. But it's normal. If you want to come back home and watch your favorite TV show or read your favorite novel in peace. If you don't feel like going to parties, it's okay. You don't always have to go to parties. Maybe this is what you need to feel energized, to feel alive, and nothing needs to be fixed because you are not broken. Being quiet doesn't mean being weak. Spending time alone can be one of the best things you can do for yourself, so do not push it away. Introverts are often misunderstood and judged as being shy, arrogant, or weird, and don't know how to have fun, but this is so far from the truth. Introverts know how to enjoy spending time with their family and friends. They know how to have fun, they know how to have a good time, they know how to keep themselves busy at home. In fact, you know how to lend your ears to someone who wants to share their ideas and sentiments. You have a lot to offer. Your creative ways always help you deal with whatever life brings you. But you don't need to explain yourself. Oftentimes, you are too worried about others' thoughts and opinions, and when you are with them, you pretend as someone you are not. Being an introvert is a gift. It's beautiful. You are strong on your own, you are accepted, you are loved, you are happy being alone, you can keep yourself occupied, and you are independent. You have fewer but higher quality friends in your network circle. You act differently around different people, and that's fine. You have a different comfort zone around certain people. For you, I know a great day is when you are having a good book with a cup of coffee and some good music while the rain is pouring, or playing a guitar while looking at the cold winter outside the window. Hey, just remember, never be ashamed to embrace who you are. Being introvert is a gift and it's beautiful. Love.